to buy a dog from us. And Eva give you a sweet, babe.
You know, got me super. Let's hang on, Johnny.
She's looking for a sweet. Yeah. Okay, we'll find it now. Oh, there you go. So he told us. Yeah, he told us. You know what? We don't want to buy the dog. Yeah. I'm not allowed to have dogs. I'm not allowed to have one. And
but there's a bigger plan for you.
Yes, and Dr. Srisika said that he will help us. And ever since then, I just want to thank you.
Well, our life never been so blessed than to this day. I've lost my Bucky. I've asked Dr. 3 seconds to help me. Must I say the multi? Can I say that on TV? Can I say that?
No, the container.